Here come the calves. Always the last ones to come right now. They don't know how to do anything. They're learning. All of those were little bull calves. Yeah. The mamas came through and they see their mamas right there. And so they're gonna walk straight over. We put Dill midway down that road so he can turn them toward me. They act like they ain't never done it before. Yeah. I'll have to go down there and help him. When you're moving calves, calves are always the problem. Hey, big boy. Yep, that fence, that gate. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Good job. Good job. Dylan's got to turn them, get them coming my way. They figure it out eventually. Like this calf right here. They figure it out, but it takes some time. It's just they don't know how to do anything. They got to learn. When we do field trips, we say that these are the pre-Kers, these are the kindergartners. You got to teach them how to do stuff, teach them how to walk in line, and teach them how to tie their shoes and all those things, you know. By the time they get a little bit older, you know, that's the middle schoolers and the cool kids. These kids ain't quite there yet. So Dylan's gonna just keep putting a little gentle pressure on them, and I'm gonna stay even with them out here. And just keep easing them over. I'm watching them and ain't watching the camera. I ain't got it pointed at them, do I? That's what you get. All right, there you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Knuckleheads, come on now. Now what they're gonna try to do is go back to where they came from, if we're not careful. There you go. Good boys. All right. All right. I'll hold this gate if you'll move that water trough.
There you go.
I got it. All right, hope you liked our video. Our Sunday afternoon move. If you do like our videos at the Lazy Acres Family Farm, hit that like button. If you really, really like them, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when we put new ones out, hit that bell. And we sure would appreciate it. Y'all have a big old good day. We'll see you.